Namaskar, organizer Voice of the Nation welcomes you. The Indian Medical Association IMA, a private association headed by Dr. John Ross Austin Jalal. IMA, an organization of allopathic doctors in the country who is always in news because of its unnecessary controversies. Whether it is the doctors picked up a fight with Yog Guru Ramdev by attempting to bully and threaten him over his opinion on the limitations of allopathic system of medicines, supporting protesters who are in against of farm bills, discrediting Ayurveda, spreading Christianity, or saying we are safe only because of Jesus in this COVID crisis. The IMA is not a government body, it is a voluntary organization of doctors who practice allopathy. The Christian Dr. John Ross Austin has been actively and aggressively hounding Baba Ramdev and his company since the onset of pandemic for his contribution against COVID. From discrediting Ayurveda completely to calling it a say no to mixopathy campaign, he spent months giving interviews, lectures, and seminars slandering Ayurveda under the garb of the new rule amid the raging pandemic. It is to be noted that the Christian Dr. John Ross Austin has also extended support to the farmers' protests who were involved in Delhi violence on Republic Day and are covering Delhi borders affecting employment in country's economy since months. In an interview to Christianity Today, Dr. John Ross Austin has made bizarre comments while taking off his plans to use Indian Medical Association to plant more Christian doctors. When asked what is Christian community's relationship with Hindu nationalists, Dr. Austin suggested that Hindus should accept Jesus and Muhammad as their God because their religion is based on polytheism. Since Hindus believe in multiple gods, Dr. Austin believes it is not difficult for them to exhibit tolerance and internalize Christian and Islamic practices. IMA chief John Ross Austin has been running a campaign to advocate Christianity. It's only the grace of Almighty God that helps us to get over the COVID crisis and stay safe. And it was His grace that protected us, he said. He not only promoted Christianity but also criticized the ancient Indian traditions and Ayurvedic medicine. Elaborating on his critique, he said, the Hindu nationalist government wants to destroy modern medicine, saying it is Western medicine. The government has faith in Ayurveda because of their cultural value and traditional belief in the Hindutva. In the same interview, Dr. John Ross Austin said, we need more Christian doctors to work more in secular institutions. Now, the controversial IMA president has been issued a summon by a Delhi court for abusing his power and restoring an act of religious conversion during the pandemic. Activist group Legal Rights Observatory tweeted that the summon was issued for his comments emphasizing on converting COVID-19 patients to Christianity. In its complaint, the LRO Forum has sought revocation of medical petitioner's license of IMA President John Ross Austin, alleging that the controversial doctor has openly declared his intention of splitting human beings into Christians and non-Christians and converting the latter to Christianity using every available opportunity. In suit alleging defamation of Hindus by promoting Christianity, Delhi High Court said that the IMA president shall not use IMA platform for promoting any religion. It is to be noted that IMA, a voluntary organization of doctors, has been promoting commercial products of private companies in exchange of huge fees. Amid the ongoing war of words between IMA and Yog Guru Baba Ramdev, questions being raised by the IMA doctors about Patanjali Ayurveda's coronal, it is to be noted that the organization had in the past found itself in the soup of endorsing a wall paint, which claimed of killing 99% bacteria on walls, reducing pollution and protecting immunity. Preferring money over consumers' health, IMA had not only endorsed a range of products from fruit juice to an LED bulb, but also had given a stamp of approval for these products, saying these products had health benefits. PepsiCo products, Crompton Grease, Dettol, Kent, Ancient Paints are some of the companies it endorsed. Now, the IMA chief has said that the association has nothing against Baba Ramdev and it will take back the police complaints once the Yog Guru withdraws his remarks against the modern medicine. We will be back with the proceedings in this chapter exposing the true face of money-minded private organization IMA and its evangelist chief Dr. John Ross Austin. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.